Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure you're working in a static-free environment to avoid damaging your laptop's components. First, power off your MSI MS17E7 and unplug all cables. Remove the battery by unscrewing the screws on the battery compartment. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Next, examine the back cover. You'll need to remove several screws that secure it in place. Use the Phillips screwdriver for this. Keep these screws organized as you will need them later. If you find it challenging to keep track of the screws, you might consider using a magnetic tray. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to carefully separate the back cover from the laptop. Start at one corner and gently work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the plastic. After lifting the back cover, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris with the microfiber cloth. This not only helps with the aesthetics but can also improve the laptop's performance. Now, locate the LCD assembly. You'll need to detach it from the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the LCD cable, which is usually a flat ribbon cable. Make sure to handle this gently to avoid damaging it. Once the LCD assembly is removed, you can now focus on the LCD cover. If you notice any cracks or damages, it's time to replace it. Place the new LCD cover in position and ensure it aligns perfectly with the mounting points. Secure the new cover by reattaching the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure the cover is secure. If you find that you don't have the right tools or time to perform this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, alongside pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling or making phone calls. After securing the new LCD cover, reattach the LCD cable to the motherboard, ensuring that it's properly seated. Then, place the back cover back onto the laptop, aligning it carefully. Use the plastic prying tool if necessary to snap it into place. Finally, screw the back cover securely, ensuring that all screws are tightened adequately. Reinsert the battery and plug in your laptop. Power it on to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring that you are informed of any charges before proceeding. This process, while detailed, is quite manageable with a little patience and the right tools. Enjoy your newly replaced LCD cover and the enhanced look of your MSI MS17E7. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.